Hello everyone, welcome to Shenzhen MINGDA Technology Limited. This is Lily again. As we know, MINGDA 3D printer manufacturer was specialized in FDM 3D printers. So, what is FDM 3D printing? Fused deposition modeling FDM, or fused filament fabrication FFF. It's an additive manufacturing process that belongs to the material extrusion family. In FDM, an object is built by selectively depositing melted material in a predetermined pace, layer by layer. The material used are thermoplastic polymers and come in a filament form. FDM is the most widely used 3D printing technology. It represents the largest installed base of 3D printers globally and is often the first technology people are exposed to. According to my introduction, I hope it will be more clear now. That's all for today. See you next time.